Hey guys, CloudyThoughts here with a video on how to make a simple bass line for EDM or house beat in FL Studio. So let's go ahead and get started. For this video I have uploaded a simple bassline pack. The link should be in the description. This pack contains all the sounds that we're going to be using except one. We're going to leave the third bass drum out for this video. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and lower your tempo to 128 and expand the beat grid to 8, and then bring in the first two bass drums. Leave the 05 out, and then bring in the both closed hi-hats and the claps. Now for your bass drums, let's set them to 4 steps each, and then the cymbals, we're gonna bring them in 2 steps after the start, and then we're gonna count 3 steps and then bring them in after that, and then so on and so forth. And your claps, we're gonna line them up with the second hit of the bass drum. So skip the first, hit it on the second, skip the first, hit on the second. Yeah, and it should sound like this. Nice. Okay, so once we have that set out, let's go ahead and move on to our second pattern. And let's select channels, and for this video we're going to be working with the 3x oscillator. Now at this point I would advise you to experiment and try to find out the true potential that this 3x oscillator has, but for the sake of the video and time I will just make a simple saw. Okay, so once we have that, let's go ahead and bring this bad boy to the piano roll. And let's make a quick, simple just to give you guys an idea how to get started with this. Okay, so once we got that set up, cool. Let's go ahead and bring in our mixer. This is where all the magic happens. Make sure the 3x oscillator is selected and go ahead and bring it into the mixer. Now there's tons of plugins that you can use to tweak the sound, but again, for the sake of time and the video, we're going to be working with gross beat specifically, and we're going to be working on the second part right here, and I'm going to be using one of the trance gates. Now this basically chops up your beat. For example, yeah, that sounds nice. There's different ones, you guys can check them all out, but we're gonna use trance gate too. Let's lower this bass a little bit. What I'm doing here is lowering the volume of the basses so this doesn't overwhelm my actual little drop here. Okay, so now that we have that set up, let's go to our playlist. Now let's add our bass drum and let's let it breathe a bit, and we'll add our little drop. And then let's go back to our little pack here that I've uploaded, and I've left you guys 2 cymbals, a crash and a reverse. Really useful sounds, guys. Let's put the reverse here in the beginning for added effect, and let's listen to what we got. Yeah. That's pretty much it. That's how you get started. Anything else after that, you guys are free to add, tweak the sound, you know. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If this helped in any way, please comment, like, or subscribe. Thanks a lot.